Welcome to this episode of Smash Engineering. Today we're going to show you how to change the rear shocks on the glass part of your hatch on a 04 Trailblazer. Let's go ahead and get started.
Smash Engineering.
Alright, so I happen to be at a local salvage yard. So, not that I would prefer to get shocks for a rear window at a salvage yard, but I'm already here and you kind of throw everything together and they give you a price. So we're going to see if we can find some good shocks here, and we'll show you a way to save money and how to do it all in the same thing. So let's see if we can find this Trailblazer that they have here. Alright, let's check and see if these ones are good. Oh, that's the same thing mine does. It's a gone on everything. Did you get that? That's nasty. It ain't rained here in a long time. What is that? What the hell? Need a center console too.
How about that side piece on the driver's seat?
Oh. Look what you find when you're in a junkyard. A Turbski. With a manifold on it. That's pretty neat.
Could you use it on anything?
I wouldn't. Somebody could. It's really tiny. Oh. You always need new glasses. Are you serious right now? You ever lock your keys out? You just open the rear door.
And climb through.
The rear door. Damn it. Getting too young for this. Nope, it's not the right one. But these are expensive. I wonder why someone locked that door and shut it. Alright, we're just striking out here. Maybe third time's a charm?
It's not falling.
I mean, as long as it holds it up, that's a win in my book. Because the ones we got right now, just let it fall. Alright. We'll take these and see if we find any better ones. Now for the instructional part of this. It's really, really hard to get these off. Make sure you hold that glass up. So what you do is you stick a flat blade up underneath the edge of it like that. Pop it out. So you stick it. Sometimes this one isn't small enough, but it works. You stick it up underneath here, just enough to pull that back. Here, just lose my piece. No, it's up there. Just like that. Make sure you keep your little metal pieces. It's gonna get heavy. I'm sure they make a whole special tool for this, but it's just clamped onto this little ball with this little metal piece. So once you pull that back, it should come off. Because we're not degenerates, we're not going to just let this glass fall and shatter it like everyone else does. Because someone might need that glass. Actually, I need a driver's side, the piece that goes behind the thing, and every single driver's side one is missing. Look at this. What? No. Wait a minute. I dare say this was cut off because of a crime.
Uh-huh. Look at the glass.
Yeah, there's like bullet holes in the glass, and then look, that's maybe bleach from where blood was. And do you think they kept this for like ballistics instead of keeping the whole vehicle? Because the bullets entered through here, maybe. Wow. Yeah, maybe not. You get to come to your own conclusions. That's what's fun about scrapyards. Whatever it is, they cut that seatbelt even. A little excessive. Well, we're back here. We're going to go ahead and pop that. And if you look, this one does not stay up. So, if you can hold that up, we will take the old ones out. Wait, there's a right hand and a left hand? That's not a thing. It is. Oh! Don't drop. That's a thing? Why would there be a right hand and a left hand? Yeah, it says right hand right there. RH. I don't know why it would be. Why it would matter. Anyway, show you the way to do it with the knife, or not. Gonna break my knife. What is going on here? It does not want to come out. Is it? Maybe let down on it a little bit. All right, need a screwdriver. Never had one do this before. Jeez Louise. Never had one do that before. They're gonna be difficult, I see. This one too, huh? Wow, that's kind of ridiculous. All right, that's the bad one. The good one. Put them on is just to pop them on. You don't have to do anything. Just make sure it's lined up, and yeah. Does it hold itself now? Wow. Wow. All right. Still should hold it though. It's only half. Only half it. Huh? Why? Why are the ones on my car coming out? What a joke. This one might not have been bad over here. Yeah, not as good as the one I got. Alright, so again, to put them on, you just put this little ball joint like that, and like that. And if you did it right, it stays up. Wherever you put it. I tell you, when we went camping in this, this summer, this was annoying. Having the, I was like, I'm not gonna replace these shocks. It's not that big of a deal. No, it is. When you're trying to get stuff out of here and you got one hand here, you're trying to reach in here and grab stuff. It's not fun. Hey guys, tune in. one of the next videos, I'm going to show you how to put the spring assist shocks on the Trailblazer platform. So this will be a cool video coming up whenever I get time. It's not a very pressing thing. It's just these trucks aren't very strong in the tongue weight area. You put any weight on these and they really sag down. So that's gonna wrap this one up. Thanks for watching. I appreciate everyone watching. I appreciate all you guys going down, hitting the subscribe. You mind? Jeez. Anyway, like I said, appreciate everyone. Appreciate everyone watching. Go down there and hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up. Make sure you ring the notification bell. A lot of people have not been getting my videos, like notifications sent to their phone, or their computers. I noticed that was a few comments on there. But go ahead and subscribe and like, and I hope wherever you're at, you're having a great end of summer. Let's welcome in the fall. Let's get ready for the cold weather if you live where it gets cold. And we'll catch you on the next one.